Hi and welcome to Diving Headfirst. Today I'm actually going to be going to the Patch and Pin Expo that's in New York today. It's only one day, but I thought it might be cool to bring you guys along. So yeah, let's see what we find. So I just left the Pin Expo and it was a lot of fun, but it was super crowded. So I think they seriously underestimated how many people were going to come. So I just kind of did a walkthrough to show you guys some of the vendors that I didn't necessarily go to. But I will be doing a haul as soon as I get home to show you all the pins that I bought. And to feature the vendors that I talked to, and a lot of them were really awesome and I had some really great conversations. So yeah, see you in a few for the haul. Hey guys, so I said I would do a haul of what I got at the Pin Expo, so here I'm going to do it now. This is the first pin that I bought and it's from a shop called Lavender Penguin. And it's this really cute penguin, and then they have it like with different foods and stuff like that in pins and also in stickers. I got the pin and I actually got 3 stickers, but I already gave 2 of them to my roommates. But I kept the donut one for myself. It's just super cute and I love it. I'll link all of the shops down in the description below. And then the next one that I got was from Nerdpins. Nerdpins, nerdpins.net. And they have like he has like a really wide variety. You could see these are just some of the pins that he has. And like it's not just like in one like theme. He has like Disney pins, he has like pop culture pins, he has like just random pins as well. So the first one I got from the shop is Walt Disney Hollywood Star. I thought it was really cute. Then he had Jonesy from Sigur Rós. And I'm just like, what? Who's ever heard of a Sigur Rós pin before? And I personally love Sigur Rós. If you don't know who Sigur Rós is, you should look them up. They're amazing. So I had to get that one. And then he had this really cool Dole Whip pin, but they were sold out. So I ended up just getting these cupcakes that I thought were really cute, and my camera's not focusing. There we go. So yeah, they were just super cute and colorful. I thought would be awesome. And then the next shop is for anybody that's a Harry Potter fan. This shop had some amazing ones. They also had things that were other than Harry Potter, but all the ones that I got were Harry Potter. They're called Oddment and Tweak, and this is Dumbledore's frog card. And it's like so detailed and beautiful. It's amazing. And then this is like a set of 3 pins. And it's a bunch of potions. So it's like the love potion and the luck potion and the polyjuice potion. And I thought they were really cute. And then the last one I think is the best one, and I just had to have it. It's the Weasley's clock. And it spins. I mean, come on, that's like amazing. And it even has like all the like locations where everybody could be, like dentist, home, prison, lost. It's just it's just so cool. And I love that it's like not even, that like it's not like an evenly distributed like thing, because it's not. So it's just, it's like perfect. I just really love this pen. And then the next place I got pins from is actually just like a set of, they're actually like all t-shirts or like clothing items. This first one is just a t-shirt with the silhouette of Mickey that has the silhouette of the castle cut out of it, which I thought was super cute. And then this one is just a pink t-shirt that says, focus, come on, Dear Disney, I love you. And then this last one is just a leather jacket that I thought was really cute, because I personally love my biker jacket. And then I did get one more pin that I can't show you because it's going to be a present for my best friend, and I'm probably posting this video before she gets it. So I'm not going to show it, but I will link to the shop in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!